Alright, this is going to be an updated ride on the moving sidewalks here at Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas. I have not seen this thing in so long. You still have that Christmas stuff on it. I have not ridden on these moving sidewalks in so long. For some reason, you go on, the left one is the one that goes forward and the right one that goes backwards. I clearly remember back in the days, it used to be the exact opposite. That one right there used to go forward while this one went backwards. I think if I'm not, but I can't remember though. Anyways, I don't know who installed these. I'm not sure if it's MCE, since a lot of the elevators were installed by MCE. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and step off. If I'm not mistaken, the down key switch is the escalator moving this way, and whilst for up, it's the escalator going this way. I think I'm not entirely sure. But anyways, we're gonna hop on the backwards moving walkway. The forward escalator, the forward moving sidewalk, has a bunch of people coming in, but not much going backwards, because mainly because there's not a lot of people deplaning. Anyways, we're gonna hop on that moving sidewalk over there as soon as we get off. So that I can get back to my gate.
I haven't flown in years, and this is what y'all gonna do to y'all person.
Attention on the concourse, if you are taking a confirmed for flight 2174 from Houston to Nashville, please make your way down to gate 43.
Same exact fixture.
Again, if you are taking confirmed on Southwest flight 2174 Houston to Nashville, please make your way to gate 43.
Let's head back to... Oh, my luggage got caught. I'm sorry. Ugh. Have a great day, man. Thanks. All right, let's hop back on because I got to get to my gate soon. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and end the video. We're going to go ahead and end the video right to where my gate is. Right through that end over there so that I can get to my gate. And during the first ride, there were like so many people walking past. And always remember, I wish I can get a straight angle view, but I have to stand right to avoid obstructing other people. And you must always stand, if you're standing still, you must stay to the right. If you're walking, you walk left to give other people room. See, this right here is where you stand still, and this side on to the left is where you walk. So, just for you to understand that. This airport has changed since I last came here. Alright, well, with that being said, that was a ride on the moving walkways, an updated take. So thanks for watching, and that is going to be it.